Alright, welcome to this video. Now this is not any regular workout video where I tell you to do 10 push-ups, 10 squats, blah blah blah. This is more focused around building serious strength. The strength you're gonna gain out of this workout is outstanding. But to give you an idea, it's basically 10 exercises which I gathered to seem to be the most effective when it comes to maximizing your strength and also maximizing your gains as well. The workout consists of 10 exercises. Each exercise is going to be for 10 reps, or that's also equivalent to 10 seconds. The point is, it's 10 exercises, 10 reps, and 100 reps in total. Although this workout consists of just 10 exercises, do not underestimate it, because each and every single exercise, it's going to use almost your maximum capacity to perform the exercise. It's not easy, it's very demanding, and also puts a high stress on your body, not to forget your joints as well. So of course it's important to get a proper warm-up before, get your joints loose, and get the blood flowing through your body so you can be warm and ready. With that being said, let's get to the video. Completed all these exercises, well done. However, it doesn't stop here. If you really want to take your progress even further, I suggest you try to go for a second round. I know it's not easy. This is why the whole point of this workout is to gain insane amount of strength in just one workout. Some of these exercises may be challenging, especially if you're more of a beginner. For that, you don't need to worry. I already have a video which explains the top 10 best exercises for beginners in calisthenics. I suggest you go to that video, you go for these 10 exercises first to try to master them, and then you come back to this video. So with that being said, if you guys are really serious about your calisthenics, check out the link down below. I've got free workout programs. There's also one-on-one coaching to take your physique, your strength, and your calisthenics skills to the next level. So check them out. They're all down below. I'll see you next time. Peace.